Hallicrafters SX-28. I just finished aligning the IF stages and setting up the AVC and the noise limiter, and these are now working correctly. After a lot of work and changing some resistors out and careful adjustment, just wanted to demonstrate the automatic noise limiter circuit. So I've got it tuned on to around 690 kilohertz, which is a station in Vancouver, but there's a lot of noise in this location, so it's sort of impulse noise. You'll hear it in a second. Then I'll switch the automatic noise limiter in and adjust that to minimize the noise. The station's almost inaudible. Noise limiter in, and here there's an improvement now. And as I turn up the limiter control, and about there is optimal. Beyond then it gets distorted and the noise comes back, but there is an optimal point on the adjustment to minimize the noise and maximize the signal. No noise limiter. Optimized about there.